To the debutant. Runs in international scene. Swing, there's that swing you were talking about. There is projection. Is that swing the other way?
Pitching offside.
There is protection out at square leg, but I don't think. Like a bounce. What a shape. Good line and length. Short side. Alex is the bust. Ball will be first over. Ball on to outside.
Be a nightmare for the batters. And so far he has been.
Swing this time, but on the middle of the bat.
A lot of confidence this one.
It's in for him, bounds it away, but he won't get it far enough. Should be touching. Short side again.
Swiveling on his toes.
That's close.
Tell you what, they're really up the ante.
Very close. That
Very impressive. That's one. Nicely picked up. There's a fielder there. He cleared that. Regularly, and he's just holding up with him. Got a close one here.
Impressed with Rashid Khan. I love his energy. I love it when he's bowling, but especially when he's captain.
Get to the 15th over, perhaps. Pick up ones and twos.
But what I like about Shadab is that that's something for your shots. You got to strike a sense.
little short, picked up early. Hasn't got hold of it.
Just trying to vary the and these messages. He's never bowling.
sensible. They've already got excellent effort.